Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you. Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the prose is The Priceless Gift. Right? What do you mean by priceless gift?
अमूल्य उपहार.
Right. That is amulya value. Amulya upahara. Do you like to offer some gift to somebody on his or her birthday? Actually, on someone's birthday or wedding day, if we are invited, we offer different kinds of gift. Isn't it? Don't we? Yes, we offer. And we like it. Wedding or some special occasion, we give gifts or offer gifts to our friends, either on his birthday, on the occasion of a wedding, or on the occasion of other things. So occasion means what? Upalakhi, right? That is. What sort of things would you like to give? Actually, what do we give? We give different kinds of things as a gift. Discuss about it with your classmates. Why does a small gift become so valuable? Really, a gift is always a gift. It is always valuable. Maybe small or maybe big. It will not matter, but a gift is always a gift. And having some value of its own. Right? What do you see when you enter a restaurant? A restaurant means what? Eatery. Eatery means what in Oriya? That is bhojan. When we enter into a restaurant, we see people eating their meal. Waiters serving the people, customers, and chairs and tables are set. Right? These are the things we generally observe when we enter a restaurant. Or we can say eatery. The word eatery is derived from the word eat. Read this interesting story, The Priceless Gift. The name of the story is
Priceless gift.
It's a very interesting story. Here, priceless means something which has a high value. ଯାହାର ଉଚ୍ଚ ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଥାଏ, that is priceless. Our mother is priceless, right? ଆମ ମା ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଅମୂଲ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପଦ, because it is rare, ଦୁର୍ଲଭ, not easily found, available or found. Match your points of discussion with this description. Here is a description. Now let's start the text. And the text begins like this. Look at your book. I went to a vegetarian restaurant. Here I means the writer. Went to a dash vegetarian
Restaurant.
So what do you mean by vegetarian restaurant? Niramisha Bhojanalaya, right? Who went? The writer. Where did the writer go?
Vegetarian restaurant.
The writer went to a vegetarian restaurant. It was lunch time. What was the time then?
It was launch time.
Right, lunch midday. There were people eating and drinking. What people were doing?
Eating and drinking.
Where? At the restaurant. Who went to the restaurant? The writer.
Writer.
What did the writer see? The writer saw the people were eating and drinking. What were the people at the restaurant doing? The people were eating and
Drinking.
right. The restaurant was very crowded. It is full of customers. Crowded means Janagali, that is full of customers. Which was crowded? The restaurant was crowded. It was full of what? Customers. I saw that some of the chairs and tables. You know, in a restaurant there are chairs and tables. The writer saw some chairs and tables had been pushed. ताकू ठेली दिया जाइए. चेयर केतेक टेबल चेयर के पुश कराई जाइए. Pushed into a corner. गोटे कोण को पेलिगिरी ठेलिकी रखी देइछन. What had been pushed to a corner? Some chairs and tables. Who saw it? The writer saw it. I chose the corner table. Choose means bachila. Who chose the corner table?
The writer.
That means the writer sat on a corner table. Right? Seated myself. Who seated himself? The writer.
The writer.
The writer chose a corner seat and seated himself and started skimming through the newspaper. Skimming means पढ़िबा. Just समय पास भला ऊपर ठाउरिया भाव पढ़िले. Who skimmed through the newspaper?
The writer.
The writer skimmed through the.
Newspaper.
That means the writer read the newspaper. At that moment, ठीक सही समय मुहूर्त रे, I noticed a very young girl. Noticed means saw, देखिले. Who saw whom?
Writer.
The writer noticed a young girl. Where? In the restaurant. At that moment, I noticed a very young girl looking at me. Could you understand? That girl was looking at the writer. The writer saw that young girl was looking at the writer. Her eyes were large, bada akhi. Whose eyes were large?
The young girl.
The girls. And they had a sad expression. And there is a sad expression in her eyes. ता आखिरे दुखर अभिभाव हो पारे किंबा दुखर भावना विजड़ित अच्छी. Whose eyes?
The
The
girl.
girl.
The girl's eyes is full of sad expression. As she was going out, who was going out? The girl. The girl finished his dinner. Sorry, no, that is not dinner, that is lunch. Right? Am I right?
Yeah.
The girl finished his lunch and went out. As she was going out, she asked the cashier, कोषाध्यक्ष जे पैसा रख. She asked the cashier. Who asked the cashier?
The girl.
The girl asked whom? The cashier. In a low voice. In a, yes, dhira counter. In a low voice. Is that a gentleman in Indian? The girl asked the cashier. Pointing at the writer. Pointing at the writer.
Writer.
Fingering. Indicating
Writer.
to the writer. What did the girl ask? Is that a gentleman an Indian? The cashier said. Replied means प्रत्युत्तर देला. I think so. ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ଭାବୁଛି. The cashier said that he thought so. The girl looked at me once again or once more. Again the girl looked at the writer and went out. Could understand what happened. The girl took leave. Left the place. It surprised me. What surprised you? The girls. The girls' activities surprised the writer. Who was surprised?
The girl.
Girl. Who was surprised? The writer was
The writer.
surprised. Why? He was surprised, but he didn't know why. What was the matter? The writer thinks himself. Her interest in me aroused my curiosity in here. Curiosity means atura, utkonta, kautuka. Her interest in me, the girl's interest in the poet, in the writer, aroused udrega kala, created my curiosity, moro aturota, utkonta, sushti kala, in here, ତା ପାଇଁ ଝିଅଟିର ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଝିଅଟିର ଆଗ୍ରହ ମୋ ମନରେ ସେ ଝିଅ ପ୍ରତି ଏକ ଉତ୍କଣ୍ଠା ସୃଷ୍ଟି କଲା. Aroused. What aroused? My curiosity aroused. When I had finished my lunch, I asked the waiter. लंच सरला परे वेटर को जाई पचाला. He didn't. The writer did not ask the cashier. The writer asked the waiter. Do you know the girl who was sitting out there? The writer asked the waiter, do you know the girl who was sitting out there? ସେଇଠି ଯୋଉ ବସିଥିଲା ଝିଅଟା ତାକୁ ତମେ ଜାଣିଛ କି? who asked whom? The writer asked the waiter. The writer asked the waiter if he knew the girl who had been sitting out there. Let's see what the waiter said in reply to it. Okay. Actually, today we came across a very interesting story. The name of the story is what? The priceless gift. We discussed about its introduction and also read some of its paragraphs. We will discuss or read the other paragraphs in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.